You have two methods of casting on. You can either use your comb or without your comb. So I'll start with the comb method. At the center you see 0. So I'll start my needles from there. So let's pick 30 by 30 needles. Then using my divider one by one, I'll divide it one by one. I will not start from here, but I'll start from the second needle. So you place this part on the second needle and then you push it backwards. You can start from here as well, then you push it backward. So I'll shift this one back. So insert your carriage, set your counter back to 0, 0, 0, 0. Make sure this hold on button is set to the regular setup. So open your yarn feeder, insert your yarn and close. Then you pull. I'll be using tension 9. This is my tension 9. Pull. And this is how I cast on. Make sure your comb is placed horizontally and then you insert it into your yarn. Use your divider and then you merge the front and the back needles together. Pull. Push all your needles on hold. Then knot your yarn. Insert your knot on the first needle. And then yarn over the next needle. Yarn over the next needle. Open your yarn feeder, insert your yarn, and then close. Then you pull. Because your project is short, use your weight to hold on and to make sure your edges are neat. To remove from the machine, cut your yarn, remove yarn from your feeder, and then you pull.